In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Perplexity AI for summarizing. Whether you're trying to summarize long articles, a complex report, or just clarify about a complex topic, you can use Perplexity for it. Let's say you want a quick summary of a big topic. You don't need to find an article first, you can just ask Perplexity directly. So you can type in a prompt of whatever topic that you're trying to search for and then hit run. Within seconds, you're going to get a clean and bullet point style summary of the most important information. Now, other than this, what you can do, if you have files that you have stored on your computer, you can just upload the file by clicking on the attach file option, select the file that you're trying to summarize, and then you can summarize the entire file without having you to completely copy and paste. Now, let's say if you have a specific article or a web page that you need to summarize, what you can do is just paste in the URL and you can simply ask it for a summary. Once you do this, it will read through the content. Once you do this, it will read the content of the exact web page and give you a concise summary of the key points. You can also ask for different styles. For example, after getting a summary, you can ask it for a bullet point list. If you get a paragraph of a summary, and if you want to have a quick read in a much clearer way, you can ask it for bullet points. It's also going to give you related articles or related questions that you can ask about your main topic. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to use Perplexity AI for summarizing. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.